Today I'm going to show you how to make this 3D frame using Canva. After opening new Canva project, go to Elements and type Polaroid frame and go to Graphics and choose this one, Polaroid photo frame. And go to share and download it as PNG with transparent background. And go to apps and type transform and choose this app. Choose file and choose the image that we make and drag it a little bit like this. Scroll down and click add to design and just delete the first one, keep just this one. And after uploading your image, drag it to the design, or you can use any image. I will use this one. Go to a layer and click send backward. Place it like this and crop it from the left and the right side. And go to shapes, elements and shapes. And let's choose the square and change the color to white color. And rotate it and try to cover this part. And go to a layer again and send backward. Go to a layer, show layers, and click on this image and duplicate. Remove the background and place it here and crop the image and download. Upload it to a new page. Remove the background. And now you can place it wherever you want. And the final step, go to elements and type shadow, graphics. Let's use this one. Decrease the size and rotate it like this. And go to a layer and send backward. Select all and place in the middle. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.